guys, today I'm gonna be going to my yoga class. It's aerial yoga, so I haven't done this in a while. I'm really excited to go back, and I just am nervous at the same time because your girl does not stretch at all, besides when I go to my pole dancing classes. So this right here is about to crack a couple bones. So I'm about to go into the studio. Yeah, come with me to my aerial yoga class. So I just finished the class. It felt so good. Actually, I didn't realize how strong I was until this class. So I guess the pole dancing and all that stuff is helping me out, because I just did a whole handstand in the freaking air and it did not feel like impossible. Like, it felt very doable. So I was actually the only one in the class. I mean, it wasn't weird at all because I get all the attention. So anything that I need help with, I can completely get all of her attention. So it's kind of cool. Now, the best part about yoga is the last like 20 minutes of every class that you probably ever take, you will like just lay there and kind of like, you know, align your chakras and do like common, you know, listen to common words and stuff. And I feel like it's a good way to get a good little nap in. But my mind was racing. I had so much things on my mind. Like, I feel like whenever I come to this class and I have those 20 minutes to myself, I get completely creative, and all these ideas, all these video ideas just start coming in my head, and I'm just like, oh my god, I need to write everything down. So right now I actually have to go to Express to return a jacket, so I'm gonna go ahead and head there. I didn't eat, but I had a Celsius, so let's go. Alright guys, so I'm in the mall now. Oh my god, I hate that I walk so fast. I think it's the New York in me that walks super fast when I really want to walk super slow. Whew. And now I'm out of breath and my knees hurt. And I need something to wear in California on Thursday, so yeah. Alright, so now I need to find sneakers. I have a meeting in 30 minutes, so I'm gonna try to make this quick. Journeys is next door. Alright, so that was a fail. So now I'm gonna run into this other store called Edge. It's like a cute little boutique, and I'm gonna see if they have anything like cute, sexy for the dinner on Thursday. I didn't get a chance to try on anything because my meeting is in 10 minutes for my trademarking for a new business that I'm starting. So I'm like, damn. All right, I got 2 out of the 4 things that I showed you. So when I get home, I'm gonna try them on. I might just do my meeting in the car because by the time I find a cafe and settle down, it's because I won't have enough time. So this is the dress that I got. I love how the sleeves are kind of long. Now my titties show. Now the back, this is the back of it. It's really cute. I love it. So now I think what I have to, I bought the bra that's gonna help push my boobs up. Okay, it does work. And it's like one of those bras that you put on and you pull the string. Now I need to also buy a seamless underwear that can just snatch me in, because I feel like you can so see like My panty stops right here. All right, let me show you the shirt and then the pants that I was gonna pair it with. All right, so this is my other option, and this is the shirt that I had bought. I have to fix it because it's being kind of weird right now. So once I fix it, but it basically looks, this is the concept. And then it came like with this cute like gold thing, as you guys already seen. And then I have these like leather pants from Misguided from like last year's December try-on haul. So I figure this together is like a whole look. I love it. It's actually giving. Or I could wear these black satin pants. Let me turn it sideways. Guys, I'm gonna shave my armpits. Okay, so yeah, this is how this one would look. I got these hemmed also. These are from Zara and they fit so good. Or we can go this route. So I love these jeans. These are like my favorite pair. It's so hard to find a pair of jeans that actually fits perfect. Now these I didn't get hemmed. They came like this. These are from Garage actually. And yeah, they fit so good. I think I have these in a size 4 maybe. So I'm trying to turn my hair from deep curly to a nice loose wave. And I found some bundles that I had in my hair stash. So what I'm doing though is straighten this hair. Like I literally sewed this in and threw it in a bun because it was like, when I finished, it was like 2 a.m. So I'm exhausted right now and I'm tired and I'm trying to post for Vlogmas. So this will probably be a part of tomorrow's vlog. But I'm using this EAP Heat Glow Denim Shine Spray. I'm only spraying a little bit. This hair is very dry. And then you just want to rub it in to the hair. Now that my hair is wavy now, it's no longer deep curl. As you can see, well, as you can see, it's like more deep curl. The ends are disgusting, so ignore that. I'm gonna fix that. But I'm gonna end up using my EAP flat iron, and I want to create like beachy waves type-ish, you know. So I'm gonna go in row by row, or like, you know, like a couple rows by row, and just press the flat iron on it to make it sleek, because right now it's not sleek. It's given, I like how puffy it is though. I do like the puffiness of it, but the ends are just not it. No. I curled my hair. It looks good. Now I'm kind of flat ironing my edges so that I could be nice and like sleek. But my dumb self didn't shower as usual. I always do my hair first and then shower. I don't know why I do this every single time, and I'm always like regretting it. Yet, all right, I'm gonna leave it like how it is, and then I'm gonna put on my silk bonnet. So I have my hairspray, right here, and then I have my silk bonnet, and this is what's gonna make my hair last, hopefully. But what I should have did before I put the curls was spray. So spray down. I'm gonna take away any frizziness. Done. My outfit is on. I'm gonna try to show you guys the whole thing. in a second. Hold on, let me. I don't think I can tilt down, so I'm about to show you it the long way. So I have these pants, this top, this bag, and some new shoes, which are in my suitcase. So I'll show you guys that after.
More excited to be able to be here with everyone. Jesus and Kahh, I know you're back there. We're so excited that you guys could be here to host, you know.
So we're heading back to Kahh's house because we're gonna change. Where we're going?
Out somewhere, I don't know.
We're going out somewhere, we don't know. And so we're gonna dress down. Well, I'm gonna dress down a little bit more, so no heels. I have my Doc, I might wear my Doc Martens with these cargo pants that I have. I think it's called that. And tone it down a bit because, yeah. But I was just telling him, like, I was like trying to drink my glass of wine, and I couldn't even finish it. Like, nowadays, I just don't really care for drinking.
Right now. Wait, what address is this?
Is this it?
No.